Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, my Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 has been 1 year with me. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's my Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 box. And before we start, you want to see my first ever unboxing of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 when I first bought. The link in the description below, you can check it out. It's 20 September 2021, which means already been 1 year today. So now, let's open the box. So, this is my phone. I still keep this plastic. Let's open it up. So here's the phone, white color. Alright. So everything, including the book and the case, also the pin SIM, is inside here. You should have a USB cable Type-C and the USB adapter, which is 33 watt. That's really fast enough. Alright. Alright, so this is the phone. 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, black color for the front part, white color for the back side. It has a 4 camera. The main camera is 48 and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth camera. So I really take care of this phone. That's why the condition is really nice. Take care very well. It has a small, very small scratch on the side. It is normal because I always wear case and change. That's why it keep happening there. It has an AMOLED screen. Never change any part. Everything is original from the factory. So this device is running latest version. Also got the latest new of control center, as you can see. Very nice. First thing first, I'm going to show you what version that I'm running. 13.0.10 global version. And this one is a global version, still not unlocked yet. I mean unlocked bootloader, still not yet. Everything is working well. So far when I've used this phone, it's been 1 year. No issue at all. Everything is working well. And I really like the phone so much. And I really appreciate with this phone so much. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 has been 1 year with me since the first box in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.